It is one of the happiest and enjoyable festivals worldwide. Happy Christmas. Thank you.
My name is Vinesh T.U. from Standard 2. Santa Claus is the most loved character on the day of Christmas. Santa Claus loves children very much. Children wait for Santa Claus to visit their house. Thank you.
My name is Sridhar Srilan, study in 2nd standard. Good morning everyone. Today is 25th December. I wish you all a very happy Christmas Day. We celebrate Christmas Day 25th December every year. It is the birth anniversary of Lord Jesus Christ. On this day, people go to churches for special prayers. People decorate the Christmas tree with colorful ribbons, bells, balloons, and stars. Happy Christmas Day!
Christmas is the major festival of Christians. This festival is celebrated every year. December 25. Jesus Christ was born on this day. Everyone is happy during Christmas. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Aradhya Shaji. Today I am going to talk about Christmas. Christmas is celebrated 25th of December. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. They decorate Christmas tree in their home. People exchange gifts to each other. Thank you.
Hi. I am Priya. Santa Claus. Santa Claus is also known as Saint Nicholas. Santa Claus gives gifts and chocolates to the children. Santa Claus loves children very much. Children wait for Santa Claus to visit their house. Thank you.
I am Vinesh T.U. from Standard 2. The Christmas tree looks beautiful when decorated with toys, lights, and gifts. It is believed that the Christmas tree is a symbol of Jesus Christ. Children love Christmas tree. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Mia. Today I am going to talk about Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on the 25th of December every year. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Christmas is the main festival of Christians. They decorate the Christmas tree in their home. People exchange the gift with their family and friends. I wish you all happy Christmas. Hi, I am Anuchima. Santa Claus is the most loved character on the day of Christmas. Santa Claus is also known Saint Nicholas. Santa Claus loves children very much. Thank you. Happy Christmas.
Hi friends, my name is Afran Roji. I am studying 2nd standard. We are celebrating Christmas on December 25. It is birthday of Jesus Christ. We are decorated Christmas tree and kids. People are going to church. Happy Christmas. Thank you.
Santa Claus is the most loved character on the day of Christmas. Santa Claus loved children.
Christmas is celebrated on 25 December. It is celebrated the birth of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated by Christians all over the world. They make special Christmas cake. Thank you.
I am Davalta. Santa Claus. Santa Claus is the most loved character on the day of Christmas. Santa Claus loves children very much. Children wait for Santa Claus to visit their house. Thank you.
Christmas is the greatest festival of Christians. Christmas is celebrated every year on December 25. On this day, people celebrate the happy birthday of Jesus Christ. On Christmas Day, people decorate Christmas tree with colorful balls, ribbon, red sauce, toys, and candles.
Good morning to all. I am Punya Sadesh. Santa Claus is the most loved character on the day of Christmas. Santa Claus loves children very much. Children waiting for Santa Claus to festival of Christians. Christmas is celebrated every year on December 25. On this day, people celebrate the birthday of Jesus Christ. On Christmas, people decorate Christmas tree with colorful balls, ribbons, red socks, toys and candles. Thank you.
My name is Yadukis A.R. I am studying second standard. Christmas is the greatest festival of Christians. It is celebrated on 25th December. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Christians wear new clothes and pray. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Milan Raijo. I am studying second standard. Santa Claus is the most lovable character on the day of Christmas. Children waiting for Santa Claus to visit their house. Thank you. I am Abhijit Tia. I study in second standard. Christmas is the birthday of Jesus. People celebrate this day. Happy Christmas Day. Thank you. I am Anmama TB. I am studying second standard. Christmas is the greatest festival of Christians. Christmas is celebrated every year on December 25. Everyone is during Christmas. Christmas Day, people decoration Christmas tree. Thank you.
I study in second standard. Christmas is the greatest festival. It is celebrated on 25th December. It is 25th December. It is celebrated all over the world. On this day, people decorate Christmas tree. Thank you.
I am Sana Suraj. Christmas is celebration on December 25. It is the birthday Jesus. Santa Claus brings the gifts for children. Thank you.
Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th December. On day, people celebrate the birthday of Jesus Christ. On day, Santa Claus is the favorite of the children. Thank you.
I am Agamsa and I am studying in second standard and talk about Christmas tree. Christmas tree looks beautiful when it decorated with toys and gifts. It is believed that the Christmas tree is a symbol of Jesus Christ. Children love Christmas tree. Thank you. I am studying in second standard. Christmas comes on 25th December every year. We celebrate birthday of Jesus Christ. Children wait for Santa Claus to visit their houses. Thank you.
Happy Christmas. Christmas the most important festival. It is celebrated on 25th December very year. Lord Jesus Christ was born on this day. Good morning everyone. Today is 25th December. At first, I wish you all a very happy Christmas day. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. Thank you.
Christmas is the festival of Christians. We and stars in Christmas. We make the crib in Christmas. Christmas is the first birthday of Jesus Christ. Thank you.
Christmas comes on 25th of December. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Children come wait for Santa Claus to
about the Christmas. Christmas is a grand festival celebrated around the world. It is celebrated on 25th December. Christmas is a festival of love. It is the biggest festival of the world. On this day, people decorate houses with the Christmas stars and Christmas trees. Thank you.
I am Krishna. Christmas is a famous festival. It is celebration on December 25. It is celebration all over the world. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Shara Rosaljo. We are celebrating Christmas on December 25. Christmas is the birthday of Jesus. I wish you Happy Christmas to all. Thank you.
Christmas comes on 25 December every year. We celebrate birthday of Jesus Christ. Children they wait for their Santa Claus to visit their house. Thank you, Christmas.
Merry Christmas, yes. I am studying in second class. Santa Claus is the most loved character day of Christmas. Santa Claus loves children very much. Children wait for Santa Claus is visit their house. Thank you.
Christmas comes on 25th December every year. We celebrate the birth of Jesus.